How to restore deleted photos and videos in Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps Management. Then, select App List to view all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the Files by Google app. Once you find it, tap on it to open its App Info page. Here you'll see several options. Look for the Force Stop button and tap it. This closes the file manager completely before we begin the recovery process. Once you've done that, go back to your phone's home screen. Next, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Happy Apps Free. After the search results appear, open the very first app called Photo Recovery App Deleted Video Recovery. Then tap Install and wait for it to finish downloading. Once the app has been installed, open it. If you see any welcome screens or introductions, simply skip them and tap Next. If the app asks for any permissions, make sure to allow them so it can scan your storage properly. Now you'll see a Scan button on the screen. Tap on it to begin scanning your phone. On the next screen, you'll have three options: Scan Images, Scan Videos, or Scan Audio. Choose the one depending on what you want to recover. The app will now start scanning your device. This may take a few moments, so just wait until the scan is complete. After it's finished, you'll see a list of the photos or videos that the app was able to find. Finally, select the files you want to restore and tap the Recover button. If those files are still recoverable, they'll be restored back to your device. And that's it. That's how you can try to recover deleted photos and videos on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.